For you. We're Debt Relief Advocates, and we're offering you free information on how to virtually eliminate your credit card debt and make your monthly payment affordable. To see how much you could save, call now 1-800-717-5543. Don't declare bankruptcy. Give us 10 minutes and we could save you thousands. We depend on your success and offer a guarantee, so there's no risk. Find out how easy it is by calling now. For the secret the credit card companies don't want you to know, call Debt Relief Advocates now and see how much money you could save for free. 1-800-717-5543. That's 1-800-717-5543. 1-800-717-5543.
Dense fog advisory in effect. Cloudy, dreary periods of rain, especially in the afternoon. High 65 near the record tonight. Mild showers around patchy fog, low 62. Cloudy, breezy for Thursday. Record warm, shower or storm possible. It's 70 for Christmas. Partly sunny, warm, near record warmth again. Chance of showers toward the evening, high 67. Saturday, cloudy, cooler, rain, high 56. And Sunday, partly mostly cloudy, warm, high 65. So it's 57 in Norristown, 59 in Drexel Hill, and 60 in Winona. You give us 22 minutes, we'll give you the world. This is KYW, Veterans Center on your radio dial and mobile device, CBSPhilly.com. On this show, Jerome Greg Roland, dealing at the editor's desk for news this hour. Millions of us will be traveling at least 50 miles to reach our Christmas destination. 6 million choosing to fly. And in light of the terrorist attacks, the TSA changing its passenger screening protocols. This paves the way for mandatory body scanning screening for some, as directed by the TSA. And this Jack on the day's trading on Wall Street talks about Havenford Trust Company, 100% committed to quality investing for more than 3 decades. HavenfordQuality.com. The Dow's up 150 and 3/4, Nasdaq up 35, S&P 500 up 19 and 3/4. KYW News Time. Time to KYW Sports, sponsored by Step the Center, wishing you a safe and happy holiday season. That Leon is here.
Eagles practicing again today. Birds host Washington Saturday night. Huge game at the Lake. Eagles banged up in the secondary, but quarterback Eric Rowe has cleared the concussion protocol and returned to practice. Quarterback Byron Maxwell, however, still dealing with a shoulder injury, and defensive lineman Benny Logan being called day-to-day with a calf injury. Washington wide receiver Deshaun Jackson missed the first matchup with the Eagles earlier this season with an injury. He's back healthy now, and head coach Chip Kelly says that makes the Washington passing game very difficult to deal with.
Yeah, it's a different dimension. Really, I think you can concentrate more on Garcon in our first matchup, but now you just can't concentrate on Garcon. You have Deshaun, and actually Jordan Reed is playing really, really well right now, too. So they got 3 formidable guys there. When they get into 11 personnel and put Crowder on the field, then they got 4 guys really up. So they did spread you out a little bit in terms of who you have to get your attention, but all those guys need your attention.
Eagles lost that first matchup with Washington back in October, 23-20. 76ers visit the Milwaukee Bucks tonight. Sixers looking to snap an 11-game losing streak. Last night, the Sixers lost at home to Memphis, 104-90, and that dropped their record to 1-29 this season. Sixers had 28 turnovers in last night's loss, and the turnovers led to 36 points for the Grizzlies.
Some of it is nervous player defense, and some of it is, like you said, just trying to force the issue a little bit too much. We've been doing better on our turnovers. We had a lot of 28, started winning the morning turnovers, turn the ball over.
That's Sixers rookie big man Jahlil Okafor. Tonight, the Sixers take on a Milwaukee team that is 11-18. College football, a fine season ended with a loss last night for Temple. Owls lose the Boca Raton Bowl to Toledo, 32-17. Temple finishes the 2015 campaign 10-4. College basketball, number 17 Villanova beat Delaware last night, 78-48. St. Joe's took care of Virginia Tech, 79-62. Drexel over Penn in overtime, 53-52, and LaSalle lost to number 13.